Welcome to the power of three. When a parent, a teacher, and a student work together, the student will do anything in math and be able to enjoy and learn with the support of all the people around him. Today we're going to be working with a hundreds chart. My name is Carla Franco. I'm a math teacher, but I'm also a parent. And when the parent is involved in working with their child, it makes it so much more enriching for the child and for them to value math every day. At school, we have lots of resources that we can help with, give to your children so that you can look at working workbooks with your children and show them what to do in everyday life. What are we doing as we're driving down the street or as we're at the grocery store, when we're in the kitchen, when we're going on a trip. There are so many things. What time is it? This is all in about math, and if you include your children in all of these activities, then they will experience it and they will understand the value of it. Here is our hundreds chart, and you can do so many things. You can go on the internet, you can print out hundreds charts on the internet. Just type in a blank hundreds chart, and your child can keep this. This is like my calculator. And what we do is, if I were to add 16 and I were going to add, say, 15 to it. Let's just do it with 10. 16 plus 10. All you'd have to do is count down. Plus 10 is 26. 16 plus 35. 10, 20, 30, and then plus, it's growing, so it's adding 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's 51. 14 plus 46. 10, 20, 30, 40, and then we're growing. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 60. These are all the fun things. Okay, let's do subtraction. Subtraction. 65 minus 10. Go up 1. Minus 10. Each jump underneath, directly underneath, is either plus 10 or backwards, of course, is minus 10. 65 minus 10 is 55. 65 minus 36. 10, 20, 30, and then we're doing subtraction, so we're going the opposite direction. We're taking away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 29. Do you see how interesting this is? It's wonderful. It's great. Okay, now multiplication. Let's work with multiplication. This is my multiples of 2, or skip counting by 2, 2, 4, and I've colored this all in, all the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so forth. And it makes a pattern. Okay, so there's my multiples of 2. So if I were going to say, what's 2 times 12? I would just count 12 of these squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 times 12 is 24. You've just count your multiples of 2. So this is my multiples of 2. Then I have multiples of 3. And if you have your children do this, they would see the different patterns. My students and my children, when they were doing this, they would think that, oh, well, under 3, then we'd color straight down. And then we go under 6, color straight down. Okay, that doesn't work. They have to skip count. They have to multiply by 3 multiples. So this is our multiples of 3, multiples of 4, multiples of 5. And I go all the way up to 12. Usually elementary works all the way up to your multiples of 12. Okay. So now, what do we do? What do we do with all this? Well, if they're doing their multiplication, then they will do their multiples, and they would have this on hand. Well, let me look at the 3s, or let's go with a harder number. Let's go, no, it's 10s. They know the 10s. Okay, let's go 11s. 11 times 3. Of course, 1, 2, 3. 3. We only count the squares that are colored on your multiples of 11. Let's go to 12s. 12 times 5. Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 60. Okay, there's your multiples. All the way up. So, and they should know this. You should have, when you're in the car, 1 times 2, 1 times 3, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4. Have them answer everything that you're doing in the car. It's very important. I know you're thinking that it's a drill and kill type of thing, but no, if they remember this, then when they get into double digits and they're multiplying, when they're going triple digits multiplying, it will go a lot easier and a lot quicker for the student, and then they'll get it right too. Okay, so here's our multiples. Now you can use this for division, of course. So if you're going 56 divided by 2, we're in our 2s, our multiples of 2. 56, and you count back how many are there. So what is it? 56 divided by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Actually, 28. 56 divided by 2. Count the 56 and go down, so it's 28. 28 squares were colored. Okay. Over here, 45 divided by 9. 45 divided by 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 5. Okay, so there's your division. These are wonderful. We did multiples, we did division, we did addition, we did subtraction. Now, let's go to the difficult one. Now, don't freak out. Fractions. Fractions. What fraction are of this hundreds chart out of 100, okay, are colored? What fraction? Okay, well, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because this is a 10 by 10. Horizontally and vertically 10 by 10 grid. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 50. 10 times 5 is 50. It's 50 out of 100. That's your fraction, 50 out of 100. Oh my gosh, what do we have now? Percentage. The symbol, the percentage symbol, hundreds of years ago was actually the number for 100. There's your 1 in the middle and your 2 zeros, okay, on either side. That was the symbol for 100. So every time you're thinking percentage, think of 100. So if this is 50 out of 100, then this is 50%. That's 100, 50 out of 100. What about decimals? 0.50 hundredths, okay? 50 hundredths, it's the same thing. So if you're converting from to fraction, to percentage, to decimal, think about this. This is a hundreds chart. Percentage symbol means 100. And from counting from the decimal to the right, your first place value to the right of the decimal is tenths with a TH at the end, and the second number to the right of the decimal is hundredths, okay? So 50%. Okay, well, this is what you can do with your children at home. Have fun doing it. Show them that math is all around.